Forgotten username recovery failed on Plum App Fix. If your attempt to recover your Plum app username has failed, don't worry, it's actually a very common issue. The surprising truth is that Plum doesn't use traditional username anymore, and that's exactly why most people get stuck. Plum App, the smart money assistant that helps you save and invest automatically, now identifies your account using your email address or linked login method, not a username. So when you try to use the old forgot username option, the system can't find your account because that function no longer applies. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Plum app or go to their official website. On the login page, use your registered email instead of a username. Step 2. If you don't remember which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from Plum. Those will confirm the correct address. Step 3. If you originally signed up with Facebook, Apple or Google, log in using that same account. Many users accidentally try logging in with a different method, which triggers the username recovery failed message. Step 4. If your password isn't working, click Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or try resending after a few minutes. And if you've tried everything but still can't get in, contact them support directly through their help page. Provide your full name, registered email, and a short message explaining that your forgotten username recovery failed. I'll verify your identity and help you regain access. Most people assume something's wrong with their account, but it's really just a simple login update. Once you use your email or linked account, you'll be back in control of your savings and investments instantly. So don't panic, your funds are secure, and getting back into your Plum app account is much easier than it seems.